Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about the deep carpet cleaner from the Rug Doctor, my new best friend. It's a carpet cleaner, but it's also an upholstery cleaner. So it's got this handy little tool here for cleaning your upholstery or spot cleaning on your carpets as well. So today I'm going to be putting the Rug Doctor to the test in a few various places around the home, and I'll be sharing the results with you. So first off, I'm going to be cleaning the carpet in the living room. It's not too heavily stained, but this carpet was here when we moved in, so we don't know what it's like. There are a few grubby patches as well, so I'm gonna get in and do that. And I'm also going to be cleaning the carpet upstairs in the bedroom. Now the bedroom carpet is actually probably only about 6 months old, but in that 6 months we've had the puppy. He was not very good at learning to use the toilet, so there were quite a few accidents on the carpet, and there's also some makeup and just general, you know, muck and stuff on there. So I'll be putting it to the test on those two carpets now and seeing how it gets on with those. I'm now going to be using the upholstery tool on the sofa. We were a bit silly really. We picked a really light colour sofa. We have 2 cats, a toddler and a dog. Who picks a light colour sofa? So yeah, it's got a bit minging, especially as we've had work done in the house. We haven't had access to a dining table with all the work being done, so we've been eating on the sofa too. So tomato ketchup stains and just various muck as well. So yeah, I'm gonna put the upholstery tool to work now and see how that does. So I'm sure this dog's main mission in life is to annoy me. I've stripped the bed, got everything ready to put in the washing machine, and Dobby has jumped on the mattress topper, muddy paw prints everywhere. Plus there's, you know, just generally a bit grubby on the mattress topper anyway. So I'm going to give the upholstery tool a go on the mattress topper now. So typically after I've cleaned the sofa, the dog has jumped on there and got muddy paw prints on there. So I'm just going to use these, which were also sent to us by the Rug Doctor, spot and stain remover wipes. These are for quick cleanups. So I'm just going to use one of these on his muddy paw prints and see how that goes. As you can see, I've put the deep carpet cleaner to the test on several different things in different places in the house, and every time it's been great. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. It's hopefully going to leave us with a much cleaner house. The gunk that came up from it absolutely disgusted me. It was vile. I think it, like, knowing that that's been in the carpets in the house, like the room that I'm sleeping in, the room that I'm living in, the carpets are full of all that black gunk. Oh, horrible thought. So it's made me realise that I really do need this bad boy in my life. So I will now be using the Rug Doctor every couple of months, maybe every 3 months, because yeah, it works amazingly. All this time we've been living in this dirty house and we didn't know just how bad it was. Gross. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.